Spartans, anyways. This is us, Tariq. And Tariq. I thought we said Tariq. This is Tariq. Tariq. Oh no, we can try. Okay, first we're going to show you how to spin with your leg up.
Oh, right.
Ready? Tacky! Okay, now
Sounds like we're saying tacky.
we're going to show you how to go with your legs.
That was weird.
Hi, Nathan.
Next, what are we going to do?
I think it was this one.
I
don't know what
And next, we're going to do our grand finale, our spin.